Have you ever wondered how your favorite morning cup of Nescafé is made? It's not just coffee, it's a science, a craft, and an intricate process that takes us from the lush green coffee farms to the convenience of an instant coffee jar in your kitchen. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of the fascinating journey of Nescafé, uncovering the art, science, and technology that turns coffee beans into the world's most popular instant coffee. Let's dive into the story of your perfect brew. For decades, Nescafé has been a household name, enjoyed by millions around the globe. But what makes Nescafé so iconic isn't just its taste, it's the incredible process that brings it to life. Every jar of Nescafé represents a journey of precision, passion, and innovation. From the sun-drenched coffee farms to advanced production facilities, every step is carefully crafted to deliver that perfect sip. Let's uncover the journey from bean to instant coffee. It all begins on coffee farms in tropical regions like Brazil, Vietnam, Colombia, and Ethiopia, where the perfect climate and soil conditions produce the best coffee beans. Nescafé sources both Arabica and Robusta beans, each adding unique flavors and characteristics to their blends. Farmers carefully handpick ripe coffee cherries, ensuring only the finest beans are selected for processing. Sustainability is at the heart of this process. Nescafé works closely with farmers to promote eco-friendly practices, including responsible farming and water conservation. Once harvested, the coffee cherries are transported to processing facilities where the beans are separated from the fruit. The beans are then washed, dried, and sorted. High-quality beans are selected, cleaned, and graded before making their way to Nescafé's state-of-the-art factories located around the world. At this stage, the beans are green and odorless, waiting to be transformed into the rich, aromatic coffee we all love. Roasting is where the magic truly begins. The green beans are roasted at precise temperatures to unlock their rich aroma and flavor. The type of roast, light, medium, or dark, determines the final taste of the coffee. Nescafé uses advanced roasting technology to achieve consistency and bring out the best characteristics of each bean. As the beans roast, their natural oils are released, filling the air with the unmistakable scent of coffee. This step is critical. It's what gives Nescafé its signature flavor. Once roasted, the beans are ground into fine coffee particles. This is a delicate process because the grind size impacts the extraction of flavors during brewing. The ground coffee is prepared for the next step, brewing at an industrial scale. Unlike brewing a cup of coffee at home, Nescafé brews coffee on a massive scale. Thousands of liters of water are used to extract the rich flavor compounds from the coffee grounds. This brewed coffee is filtered and concentrated to capture the essence of the coffee. The goal here is to create a coffee concentrate that retains all the flavors and aromas. Here's where instant coffee takes shape. Nescafé uses two advanced techniques to turn the coffee concentrate into instant coffee granules: spray drying and freeze drying. Spray drying. The coffee concentrate is sprayed into a chamber of hot air, instantly drying it into fine powder. Freeze drying. Alternatively, the coffee concentrate is frozen at extremely low temperatures and then dried under vacuum conditions to create granules. This method preserves the flavor and aroma exceptionally well. These granules are the final form of instant coffee, ready to dissolve instantly in hot water, delivering a rich and flavorful cup. Quality control is a top priority at Nescafé. Every batch of coffee granules undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the brand's high standards for taste, aroma, and consistency. Advanced machinery fills jars or sachets with the granules, sealing them to lock in freshness. The iconic red and gold branding is applied, and the jars are ready for shipping. Nescafé is committed to sustainability. From promoting sustainable farming practices to reducing energy consumption in their factories, the brand is dedicated to making coffee production eco-friendly. Packaging innovations like recyclable jars and sachets are part of their ongoing efforts to minimize environmental impact. After months of careful cultivation, processing, and production, the journey of Nescafé ends where it began, with you. The convenience of instant coffee means you can enjoy a cup of Nescafé anytime, anywhere. Simply add hot water, stir, and savor the rich aroma and taste that millions have come to love. Nescafé isn't just a brand, it's a global phenomenon. Every cup represents a journey of dedication, innovation, and passion, from the farmers who grow the beans to the engineers who perfect the production process. The next time you enjoy your morning coffee, remember the incredible story behind it, a story that connects people across the globe, one sip at a time. Now that you know the journey of Nescafé, what's your favorite way to enjoy it? Share your coffee moments in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more behind-the-scenes stories about the world's favorite products.